Not all soils in a paddock behave the same, so we shouldn't sample them the same. This recent yield map shows us where the wheat has performed differently. That usually means the soil is different too. To manage or rectify this variability, it's important that we soil sample by zone. When it comes to identifying zones, GoogleEarthPro, which you can get on a laptop or a desktop, is a really great place to start. The reason I like it is we can look at things like elevation, but also historic imagery. It's a really great feature where we can look back, and usually you'll find 3 to 4 high resolution captures across your farm and your paddocks, which can show previous history. The next layer to explore is Normalised Difference Vegetation Index, or NDVI. I use a platform called IRISat, which is free to use. NDVI is a widely used satellite-derived image which shows the health, the vigour and the density of our crops and pastures, and the variability of those things across our paddocks and our farms. Yield maps are the next layer to explore, and you might have other layers such as EM38 or even pH mapping with Averis. You can often also access elevation data off of your machines through a platform such as John Deere Ops. Print and compare these layers to confirm your zones for sampling. Now we've got the map layers printed, I can start to see some similarities between the different types of information. When I look at the Google Earth image from 2021, I can see some clear differences in soil type, which are related to changes in the elevation. So the zones that I would select in this case for sampling, in this case, I'm just going to sample this one sand dune, so I'm going to call this one zone 1. And then I'm going to go for an intermediate zone. As we come down off of this dune, we can see that we've had still some lower yield in here. And the next area I'm going to pick up is this heavy zone here, based on the fact that it's been performing well in different years and also has yielded well in 2025. These are our 3 sampling zones. Each zone should be sampled separately because each zone may need different fertiliser, amendments or amelioration. If we mix all this together, we lose the differences. But if we sample by zone, the data tells us exactly what each part of the paddock needs. One zone, one bag. Same depth, same method, different zone. Zone sampling gives you better data, and better data leads to better, more profitable decisions.